power savings. These are the few products. We design and manufacture many such automation products. I request all the channel partner friends on this platform to join hands with us. Together, we all can grow to a greater height. Thank you.
Vikram, thank you for your presentation. Can you let us know what kind of customers you're looking for? What kind of connects you're looking for? That will make easy for all of us to look for such customers.
Okay.
In one sentence.
Yeah, we have commodity products. These are home automation products. So our products can go into any home, any office, any factory. So our customers can be anybody.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Vikram. Mr. Raghavendra? Mr. Raghavendra? Mr. Raghavendra, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Raghavendra. Yeah, I can hear. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Please go ahead, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hearing me?
Yeah.
Hello. My name is Raghavendra. I am from our main manufacturing for LED lights. Our own brand also we have. That is Aerolite Lighting brand, and we are showroom is held by Philips Light Hub. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry.
Please go ahead.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Raghavendra.
It's disturbing, voice
Yeah,
is.
We can. Hello. We will instruct you, sir. Hello.
Sunil, I think we'll move into the next person and take him back later.
I think Raghavendra, please go ahead. Or if there is a disturbance, we are able to hear you actually.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah. Please go ahead, sir.
My name is Raghavendra. My company name is Aerolite Lighting. Our company will be manufacturing of LED lights. We have one showroom of Philips Light Hub, and customized product we can doing all types of LED lights. Anybody requirement of interior designer, architects, anybody is required, please contact us. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, thank you, Raghavendra. Thank you, Raghavendra. Guys, this is regarding the lighting vendor. He is having a request with connecting with the architects or interior decorators, and lighting is something which is like commonly used for any kind of like construction material or newly built houses. I'm sure Mr. Raghavendra Magji can help for connecting, means by giving a rendering the best services. For any time you find of like connecting with the required lighting solutions, touch base with Aerolite and Aerolite Lighting, and Mr. Raghavendra would be definitely able to assist. Please become brand friend of Aerolite Lighting.
Thank you.
How do we do that? Is there any icon where we need to click on?
In the banner, if you see the Do Friendly mobile application, search for Aerolite Lighting, click upon the photo of that image.
Okay, that has to be done through a mobile app only, right?
Yes.
Not on a desktop.
No, you can write it down as of now. And
Okay.
in the
Then I
mobile
can. Okay, later on I can click. Thank
yes.
you.
Coming to the next vendor, Digipact Media, Mr. Mukesh.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mukesh Jaywal, founder and CEO of Digipact Media. At Digipact Media, we help small scale and medium scale businesses to take them online and promote them there. Am I audible?
Yes, Mukesh, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. So we help small scale and medium scale businesses to take them online and promote them there. Basically, we are providing websites, designing services, and digital marketing services. And in this COVID era, it is very necessary for a business to come online and showcase their product or services. You can connect with me like any small scale or medium scale businesses who want to revamp their website, who want to build their website, who want to promote themselves like on social media, Google search engine, or anywhere on like any service of digital marketing. So we are happy to serve them. Thank you.
Murlidhar, you are muted. Please unmute and talk.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Mr. Mukesh. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, hi Murali sir, this is Girish here.
Yes, Girish.
Yeah, I'm interested in for this Digipact. I want to meet the Mr. Mukesh.
Mr. Mukesh, no? So,
Yeah.
So you can you see the screen of Mukesh?
Yes, yes.
Number. The number is there.
Yeah.
And you can call him later, or you can also call me later. We'll help you to connect with him.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Atal.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Nagarakshan. Please go ahead.
Mr. Nagarakshan.
Okay, Nagarakshan is the owner of Alankar Makeup Studio. Unfortunately, he had messaged me. He is unable to reach for this meeting. Alankar Makeup Studio is a company which is located near Srinagar. They are having an amazing bridal makeup setup. They have been into this domain from more than 10 years. And for any person who is willing to get connected with bridal makeup, for example, many people are interested, like means just in case of any events or special occasions, people love to get themselves presented, means curate themselves as beauticians. So Nagarakshan is an amazing known person, and unfortunately he couldn't join us today, but you can find Nagarakshan in Do Friendly, and you can add it as you can also become a brand friend of Nagarakshan, so that one business you can never miss it is if somebody wants to look beautiful themselves or good, give a grandeur look.
So how can we refer?
You can in the Do Friendly mobile application, you can click refer button and enter the customer whom you are referring to. Request you to download or check out the Do Friendly application, and this is the presentation which is happening. All the Do Friendly users are called as brand friends.
Okay.
Okay,
so the customer that you are referring to, should they also have the app?
No, customer need not download the app. They will get the contact details in the SMS along with the friendly OTP. You can tell the customer, please use this OTP and avail special discount behalf of me, because you are a brand friend. And the same discount value will directly come to your mobile application, which you can withdraw.
Sunil, I have one immediate referral for Nagarakshan. My niece is getting married in February 2021. So I'm going to send him this referral immediately to him.
Fantastic. So this is the beauty of it. Means any person can become any business's owner if you are brand friend. Okay, coming to the next business, Mr. Murlidhar, Wealth Grow FinServe.
Good evening to all. I'm Muralidhar Kalsapra, representing Wealth Grow FinServe. We provide consultancy services and sell products relating to insurance, mutual funds, bonds, and other related products. With the motto of providing right solutions to the bright future of our clients, we offer complete investment solutions. There are many reasons why someone should invest through us, and our USP are we are in the business since 2010, and we have over 250 clients in our portfolio. And we are not into part-time financial services, so we are into full-time services. We advise only well-regulated and approved products. We provide unbiased advice on various investments. We do a risk profiling of the investor before getting the investment done. And we have online facility for most of our services. And we are also active in social media. And we keep sending educative content to our client. Not that we just sell the product. We also educate our clients with respect to various investment opportunities available. And we have wide range of financial products available with us. What we deal with tax planning, mutual funds, mutual fund SIPs, lump sum investments, tax saver schemes, life insurance, term insurance, health insurance, general insurance, various company deposits, capital gain bonds, RPA bonds and debentures, both in primary and secondary market. And we open demat account and share trading account. We also do P2P lending, which is approved by RBI, and we provide loan against securities. Those who already made investment want to avail the loan facility, we provide that. And we are adding more products in the days to come. What is there for you as a brand ambassador? As a brand friend of our company, you can earn attractive incentive by promoting your product and services. The main advantage for you is availability of wide range of products. You need not search different people for different type of financial products. Everything is available at one roof with us. And we maintain utmost transparency in our transaction. And we are known for trustworthiness among our existing clients. World's richest investor, Warren Buffett, has once said, never depend on single income. Many of you are depending on single income. So now it is an opportunity to diversify your activity and earn more. We are looking for anyone who wants to achieve financial freedom, who can be our clients. So there is no specific that we cater to only particular set of people. Anyone who wants to invest, save money for their future, achieve their financial goal, you can target them. So hope to see you all promoting our products. You can find our company Wealth Growth Insert in the friendly app. Thank you for giving an opportunity to present you all about our company. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Mr. Muralidhar Kalsapur, for your wonderful introduction.
So this is Vijay Rao. I have referred one lead to Mr. Muralidhar Kalsapur through the Brand Friend app.
Wow, fantastic.
Thank you, Vijay, sir. Thank you.
Friends, this is amazing. You can see the power of the referrals here, and each and every person is equivalent to any celebrity. Imagine whenever you find in your WhatsApp or Facebook, we keep on seeing about somebody or the other person inquiring about things. So often we were ignoring things, but now anytime I listen about financial products, I will be directly referring to Muralidhar now, because I am also owner of Wealth Grow FinServe by becoming a brand friend. Thank you, Muralidhar, for introducing. Mr. Jagadish Sarade, Fast Superfoods.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening to all of you. Hello. Good evening to all of you.
Yeah, we can hear you, Jagadish.
Yeah. Our company Sarade Superfoods is a very unique company which is into dealing with superfoods. So superfoods are foods which have various nutrients in one food. Like, we are dealing with two superfoods, chia and quinoa seeds. So chia seeds is having a lot of nutrients. Like, it's got 8 times more calcium than milk. Then it's got omega-3. It's got 3 times more iron than our spinach. So a product which has got more nutrients is called as a superfood. And chia and quinoa are two powerhouse superfoods. So what we are doing basically is we have used these chia and quinoa seeds and manufacturing jams. So we have something called as fusion jams with very unique flavors. So we have flavors like mango chili, mango ginger, mango mint, apple cinnamon, Goa chili, pineapple chili. So it's the same way how we eat the fruit, the same way jam is made. So jam is one category of our products. The second category of our product is the immunity boosters. Like chia seeds itself is an immunity booster. Quinoa is very good for diabetics. It's the rice substitute products. All the items which we can prepare in rice, like wangibat or palau and all those upit and all those things, all those dishes you can prepare in quinoa using quinoa. It's it's a rice substitute, very good for diabetics because it is low glycemic. So and we also deal with ready to cook products using this quinoa seeds. We have made ready to cook quinoa idlis, pongal, quinoa bisibela bath, so that people can consume highly nutritious food. So quinoa is a very, very nutritious superfood. So people who cannot consume rice, like more rice, like diabetics, so they can use our products. So and then you can eat healthy foods. So you can refer to anybody. Our products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, and we are all present in most of the big retail stores in Bangalore, like Namdari's or MK Ahmad and those kind of retail stores, big Royal Mart, ShopRite, those kind of retail stores. So products are very tasty, very unique. So please try out our products. So and I hope that you will all like it and be our brand ambassador. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for very descriptive introduction, Mr. Jagdish.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
One more thing, Gajegauri madam, I have referred one client to you. Please do the follow-up. It is a new recently started multinational company. Please
Okay,
follow
sir.
it up. They have big order in pipeline.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Friends are requested to not interrupt in between. I could see in the chat box a lot of discussions are happening. It's great to know that each other we can asking, but let's respect for the presenters. Let's understand it. In between of doing some activities, we are missing up the new opportunity which we are learning for today. So
yeah, sorry for interrupting. I was just apprehensive that she may miss the chat. So that is why.
Okay. And meanwhile, friends,
big business.
Whenever you are referring a person, here you can contact the customer and tell that contact the respective person, because word of mouth is like when you talk with the customer, that is more valuable. Okay. All right, friends. Coming to the next thing, next business, Matrix Home Solutions, Mr. Venkatesh. I have received a message from Venkatesh. He is unable to join. Okay. Muralidhar?
Yeah. I don't have a message. I don't have a message from him.
Yeah, in the group I have found it. So Matrix Home Solutions is more of like they have end-to-end automated solutions for home needs, and like any gadgets or any kind of home solutions in technology, as well as including like play or interior solutions. They are having such kind of a products. I think they have also updated their website in the application. People can check out their website in the mobile application. And Matrix Home Solutions has been quite a known person for us. And this is the number, and they are located in Sumkutkatte. So people who are looking for something related to the Matrix Home Solutions can always refer them, and you can also become a brand friend. And I really appreciate if the people who are presenting and mentioned that to join that, it will be nice if they have it, because brand friends would love to listen their businesses from their respective owners. Anyway, so we'll try our best to make sure the businesses owners appear here from going further. And the next business is Reach Consultancy, Mr. Nagaraj.
Mr. Nagaraj Seri.
Nagaraj, your voice is little low. Can you increase the volume or?
You guys can hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, Nagaraj.
Hi all, good evening. I'm Nagaraj Seri, founder and CEO of Reach Consultancy. And it's as you can see the name, it's a job consultancy firm. We offer 100% free jobs. There's a segment is IT and non-IT. My targeted customers are anybody who is looking out for a job, and we are purely into white collar jobs as of now. We would love to help them for free of cost.
Any specific connects you're looking for immediate placements? Any specific industry?
We are currently hiring into banking and financial sectors as of now. And I would like to thank Mr. Sunil and Murlidhar. I've got about few candidates referral from Mr. Murlidhar and so many other brand friends for my company. 18 plus referrals as of now I have got from DoFriendly app. Thank you, Mr. Sunil and Mr. Murlidhar.
Friends, I would like to add how I'm able to refer Mr. Nagaraj is I keep seeing his WhatsApp status, which he puts every day. I see that, I take a copy of that and put it in my friend circle. And there are a lot of people who are looking for such opportunities. So I'm able to connect people who are looking for a job with Nagaraj. So both of them can benefit from this connect through me. This is how I'm able to bring more and more referrals almost daily for Mr. Nagaraj. Thanks a lot, Mr. Nagaraj.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Nagaraj. And friends, from my personal behalf also, Nagaraj is very ethical in what he does. And I personally like his work, the way he works also. And he is strictly against charging for the jobs. Means for the person who is coming for a job, he never charges from them until unless he's giving a special training for them. So I really appreciate his work and request if any person finds anyone looking for jobs, become brand friend for Reach Consultancy. And now you too own a HR consultancy. Next business is SNS Consultants, Miss Saraswati.
Hi everybody, good evening. I am Saraswati from SNS Consultants. This is a startup actually because as you are aware, due to COVID, even me and my husband don't have a job for almost 6 months. So we are struggling to sail through this pandemic. In spite of having 20 plus years in travel industry, then again it's as you are aware, we are undergoing a lot of trauma. So then I have taken this as a challenge and full time, and I brought all the financial products in under one roof. Me and my husband are a partner under this consultancy. Our products vary from insurance, general insurance, life insurance, corporate FDs, DMAT, home loans, etc. So all our financial products, and I am also giving an opportunity for a fresher who wants to make some income, because who are struggling like me to at least have some income. So then I'm trying to recruit for some of the companies and trying to teach them free of cost, like if they want any service or something like that. So I'm looking for a leads from all walks of life, right from car owner, shop owner, or even an individual, because as I said, insurance is a financial product is a vast subject where even each person is a customer for me. I hope you all understand, and looking forward to have at least one referral from one of you, any of you.
Sure, ma'am. We'll do that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you.
Mr. Girish Chia and Girish Advertising.
Yeah, good evening to all. Yeah, this is Girish. One second, I'll switch on my video.
Girish, yes, Girish, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. This is Girish. Our company brand name is Creative Media, and this is unit of Chia and Girish Advertising. We are into complete advertisement solutions. One point solution for the complete advertisement. What are any product or company need product branding or service branding, what are the things? And we are into complete like all the newspaper, nationalized and state-wise newspapers, TV channels and radios, multiplex, and display on outdoor activity like BMTC buses, hoardings, bus shelters, and there's some passenger autos. And recently we have started at the activity in metro stations also, because the floating of the people, it's more on the metro station. It was before the lockdown. Maybe after once the lockdown is open, maybe in the metro, there's a people is also, it's a new platform for the advertising. And we are the unique in that there's an honest price and transparency, and we are not taking the random advertise. We will not do the random advertisements. We'll first analyze the what is the client requirement, because some of the clients they need only the area wise, and some of the client they need Bangalore, entire Bangalore, some of the client they need all over Karnataka, pan India, like that. And depend on the product, we analyze and we'll do the media planning for them, and we'll explain that how it will work and which is the media is good and what is the difference between the newspaper and TV channels, radios, and we give the complete explanation of the all the media how it will work. And costing wise, because there's a one point solution, if client want to give the ad in any newspaper or TV channel, each channel they have to go for it and they have to discuss with everyone. We are the one point solution for them. They'll or any client will get 1 point all the services. It's a cost wise, media planning wise, and publicity wise. And we'll take care of the scheduling as the shooting version or else creative version, all of the things. And if anyone need, I think all the companies need a publicity. It's maybe smaller or bigger one. Based on their requirement, we'll planning for that one. And I'm looking for the complete retail market segment, like any jewelers, silk and sarees, or else mobile stores, or banking sectors, education sectors, hospital, because we are not entered for the corporate and government. So except corporate and government, we are doing for all other categories. If anyone have a reference of that retail markets, so you can connect me that. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. We'll do that, Mr. Girish. Thanks for your introduction.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Girish. And friends, please become brand friend for Chia and Girish Advertising. Who doesn't want to own a advertising company as their brand friend? So next one is Mr. Prashant from M2B Labs.
Mr. Prashant?
I'm not able to see Mr. Prashant in the participants. Well, M2B is one company. They are doing home-to-home service of diagnostic services. For any services, you just need to call this person. They will come and serve the respective thing. Maybe it is any kind of a normal checkup, health checkup, or blood test, or any kind of a services. So this is kind of a just in need kind of a services. And this M2B Labs is available in Do Friendly, and you can also reach Prashant to check out his services. So we can also become a brand friend of M2B Labs. And if any of our neighbors or our friends asking for any kind of a laboratory related tests, you can always refer Mr. Prashant, M2B Labs. So next business is Mr. Ulas from We Link You. Mr. Ullas, please unmute and talk.
Am I audible now?
Yes, Ullas.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. My name is Ullas. I run a small startup by the name WeLinkU. We are based out of Bangalore. Basically, what we are into is we are into financial products. What we do here is we don't do something traditionally. We are completely into digital platform. We are into a service sector basically. What we do is we are tied up with almost all banks across Pan India, with all major cities. And our first branch is with Bangalore. I'm the founder of WeLinkU. And what we do here is, for example, like if you're looking for a loan or anything, you need not run around anything. You need not approach many banks. In one single digital platform, my app and my website will be on within another 3 months, because due to COVID, the process got delayed, and we are working on it continuously, putting our efforts to bring it on time. Probably by October, already we have started the business. By October or October first week, we should be online. And what we do here is a customer, whenever he approaches for any kind of financial assistance, everything what he will do is he will do it in a digital format. The customer himself, he can upload the documents and approach for the bank. And we have two options. We don't do it here traditionally. Either you choose your bank or you upload your documents and we help you out with the profile and we guide you. This particular profile is suitable for so-and-so bank. So this is something unique, which what we are trying to implement in the market. And as the complete digitalization is going on, so we would like to encash the situation and go ahead. So this is something small brief about my company and what is the products we are into: home loans, car loans, personal loans, business loans. Right now we are speaking with credit card major new startups like Cred, and there are a few more companies we are looking for major tie-ups with them. And here completely it is not, as we don't charge any service charges. It will be completely free of cost. And whoever comes in for a reference and who wants to share any lead or anything, definitely we are ready to share our profits also in that. And it's a small marginal profit what we earn out of it. And but still volume plays a big game here. So this is something small brief about my company.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Ullas, for that introduction.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ullas. And going for next.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes. Coming to next business is WizMinds, Mr. Kishan.
Thanks, Sunil. Thanks for the opportunity given. And I would like to welcome everyone here. And I guess we are on the right platform here. As Sunil has said, word of mouth is the one which is really has a big value in these days. Okay. I own a company called as WizMinds. What I would like to tell is, I'm sure everyone would like to own a website of their own. But with the cost incurring close to around 15 to 20,000, the question arises: how many of us will be able to own a website? So we have come up with a very unique concept called as a mobile site or a digital business card, which will have all the features of a website just for a price of $9.99. So I mean to say, just for a price of a popcorn, you can own a website. I don't call it as a website, I call it as a mobile site. All you know, people know is website has about us, your products, your services, your Google Map, your gallery, your video, everything. Imagine getting all these just for a price of a popcorn, which you were paying at the PVR cinemas. Why don't you go for it? So you can call me on 98801-26744. I repeat my number, 98801-26744. Just for a price of a popcorn, which you're not able to get it now, since the malls are closed. Why don't you convert the same money for your business? Thank you.
Fantastic. What a nice presentation, Mr. Kishan. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. So the last company is, before starting about epoxy solutions, we have some guest presenter also after this. And meanwhile, we will show you an easy hack how we can encash from all the 15 businesses. It's just within 1 minute or 2 minute kind of an explanation for all the businesses. Request to each person to be available, because we're gonna give you a summary of 15 businesses, how you can own it and make a best encashment from it. So coming to Epoxo Solutions, Mr. Rajiv Singh. Oh, yeah, he has messaged me. I'm sorry, friends, he's not here. Epoxo Solutions is an waterproofing solutions. They have residential house as well as even the commercial buildings. Any kind of a water dripping solutions, or any places where they find any wet spots or any water leakage or pipe leakage. They have amazing team who makes and analyzes the situation and gives the best recommendations. Maybe it is a ceiling or a bathroom or a commercial space. So waterproofing is their job, and more than 30 years of experience. And he's having a strong foundation in Bangalore area, and they are very active people. And these are the people whom you can trust. And I have also used Epoxo Solutions for their services. Request you to find them, become brand friend of them. And anywhere you think about waterproofing or any water leakage menaces, you can always think about Epoxo Solutions. So with this, we will come to the next slot here, where we can get introduction of one of our guest talk, and Mr. Muralidhar will talk a little bit about it.
Friends, there is one person in our group today who have been listening to all our presentations, and he has understood how we are going to promote our products, what are the kind of challenges we are having currently, and how do we move forward in all that. Let's welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Shantanu Chari. He is representing the Bangalore chapter of GAME. GAME stands for Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship. It's a non-profit organization which with one mission to help small businesses across the globe to come together and grow together. GAME is working very closely with central government, state government, various financial institutes, NGOs, and various other stakeholders. And they are doing an immense job. So Mr. Shantanu will definitely enlighten us how we can take benefit from an organization as big as GAME. And I really wholeheartedly welcome Mr. Shantanu to make his presentation. Please give your valuable time to listen to this presentation. Thank you. Mr. Shantanu,
yeah.
It's all yours now.
Yes, thank you so much, Muralidhar and Sunil. I'm going to just quickly, I was told to spend not just to give you a quick grasp of what everything is. Thanks for the introduction as well. The Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship, as Muralidhar mentioned, is an organization which is a not-for-profit. We exist to support what we call mass entrepreneurship, which is the growth of small entrepreneurship, both entrepreneurs and the ecosystem, right? For each of you who are small business owners, right, you will want to grow in many, many ways. But also remember that your growth can be role models to other people in the ecosystem, in the country. So while we call ourselves Global Alliance, our first area is India, and also right now we have started. It's only been 15 months, but we have put together a great advisory board, a great founding board, and all of that you can see on our website, which I have mentioned here. I'm not going to go into that, but specifically for you, I wanted to explain that we are an ecosystem enabler. We are starting to understand what small business owners need, what gaps they have, and so on and so forth. We have begun in Bangalore. We have started now a few programs in Bangalore. And I'm happy to say that our first initiatives at GAME have been to support women entrepreneurship. So women are very important. I would also like to urge all of you here to look at actively bringing women into the fore of ecosystem. I see there are a few women here. I would encourage everyone to think about bringing it as close as possible. It's not easy. They have constraints. They have structural constraints, but we at GAME are trying to work on this. So very quickly, I'll tell you, we're doing two separate things. We have started off specifically 2 programs for women. One is a free mentoring program, which is a 16-hour mentoring program, and a free digital marketing program. The idea is to not just support women entrepreneurs, but also to learn from them and then work with partners, even like, for example, Do Friendly is a core partner in the ecosystem. They are doing, I think it's a great idea, Mr. Muralidhar and Sunil. I think it's a great idea. I think we've got to think about how to market. We've got to think about how to help each business help each other. So I think it's a great idea. I won't spend too much time. I just want to tell you how we are looking at this. We look at the whole ecosystem in these 6 buckets. These are the challenges that entrepreneurs face, small entrepreneurs face specifically. They need skills, they need marketing support and markets access, they need finance access, they need good policies, they need to be able to communicate their stories and build a culture of ecosystem. And then finally, they need support from institutions, associations, etc. So we are bringing together all of these. We are building the capacity for everyone. And with your support and with your initiative, not just support, because the start of every ecosystem is entrepreneurial growth and small business growth. And once these one last thing I'll say, and this is something I've learned in the last 6 months, don't feel shy to talk about your growth stories. Don't feel shy to talk about what you've done. It could be in things like what we call cash capacity customers, small thing. Even they are small victories. Bring out your brand, talk about your brand, talk more and more, communicate that, and people will start coming to you. So that's all I have to say for now. My number is here. And if anybody is interested, especially if you also know any women entrepreneurs, right now we're in Bangalore specifically focusing on women entrepreneurs. We also have a lot of activity happening in Punjab and Meghalaya. So there it's mixed gender, but right now, for now, I would urge you to think about women entrepreneurs, people you can support. I am not yet an institution on Do Friendly. So for now, if you think you're interested in knowing more about GAME and all of these entities and how they all might help you, please send me a message on WhatsApp or SMS to this number. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Shantanu. That was a wonderful introduction, brief introduction about GAME. Sunil, you want to add something on this?
Yes, thank you so much, Shantanu. It was motivating, and meanwhile, I'm sure from our platform, I would try to connect with all our women entrepreneurs. Meanwhile, can you? This is specifically for women entrepreneurs, or even even other people also can join?
No, so the organization is for everyone. Mm-hmm. Right now, the initiatives we are running during COVID time, mm-hmm. And this year is because we can't boil the ocean. We can't do everything. We have to do few things, focus on them, and do it well. So right now, we are learning more and more about the women entrepreneurship ecosystem. We want to focus on that. We want to be able to explain the issues there, and we all know that women entrepreneurs and women businesses face a lot of challenges. I'm mm-hmm. sure that the women on the team, on the group here, will tell you that. But we are focusing on that right now. Slowly, in the coming months, in about 2-3 months, we might think about opening it up to others as well. But the focus is small women entrepreneurs, what we call nanopreneurs, not micro, nano. Right?
All right.
Thank
yes.
you.
Thank you so much, Shantanu. And we have taken up your number also. And women entrepreneurs who are available in this meeting, please do touch base with them. Mentoring is always beneficial for each and every entrepreneur. Let's make sure whatever the facilities they are providing to take a
I have already, for example, Ms. Saraswati had presented something, and I've already sent her a text message saying, please, if you're interested, join on the programs. So
Fantastic.
I'm happy to have people join the programs. I'm doing it. If we can work together, do Friendly and us, I'm sure we can really support and benefit a lot of women entrepreneurs. Thank you.
And Shantanu, one more thing, all your initiatives, we can see it on Facebook and other digital initiatives.
Yes, all of our initiatives. All of our initiatives. I think I made a spelling mistake in my slide but it's mass entrepreneurship. If you write game, you will also find it on Google, on Facebook, etc. We do at various levels, right? You're right, central government, state government, etc., all of that. But to keep it relevant for your audience for today, for the 15, 20 business owners right now, I thought I'll be specific and tell them what areas they can get support from us.
Okay.
One more thing I'd like to say is that on our site, we have a game Facebook support, a game Facebook entrepreneur page. So please go there on the game site because we can tell your stories to more and more people. We reach out to about 2,000 institutional organizations in the country who work on entrepreneurship, and collectively we've had a reach of about 20 million views over the last 12 months alone on various of our sites. So if you are a business and you want to advertise and talk about your story on Facebook, on Game Facebook, please go ahead and see our site.
Fantastic. That's really interesting. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much, Shantanu. Friends, right now we are having...
I just want a quick question. All of the business owners here today are all from Bangalore, right?
Yeah, everybody.
Okay, that's what I thought. So I just wanted to be, I mean, there's lots of work you're doing in, like I said, Punjab, Meghalaya, Delhi, other parts of Karnataka, but I wanted to focus it on the Bangalore piece right now. But do go to our site and see what you can see.
Mumbai, Thane?
Sorry?
What about Mumbai, Thane?
Not yet, but we have partners who work there as well.
Pune, Mumbai, Thane and New Bombay. Pune, Mumbai, Thane and New Bombay. So
currently we are not in that location to be, but right now it's only Bangalore, Karnataka, Punjab, Meghalaya. But you will find, if you go to our website, you will find a lot of resources about lots of entrepreneurship organizations who give you support in those regions. We'll have to do a little bit of researching there on our website, but we have resources available.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Shantanu. And friends, let's come back to the last, because we are already crossing the 6:30 time, and it's just last 3 more minutes. We're going to show you what is the best benefit we can have it in this 3 minutes. Is please make an attention. This is quite important. By using Do Friendly application, each and every person can become brand friend. Each person can talk and earn like a celebrity. Becoming brand friend is quite simple. Download Do Friendly app, search any businesses. Right now you got introduced with 15 businesses. Anytime you search with the category or business name, you will find the banners. You just need to click refer and click upon enter the customer mobile number with whom you're talking and tell the customer, hey, they are the really good person. Please go. I have shared you the contact details. The moment you enter the contact number and click refer, the vendor's contact details will go to the customer in SMS format along with an unique OTP, and location will be going to there. You can tell the customer, these are really good people. I know them. Why don't you try with that? Remember, Shah Rukh Khan, when he takes a brand endorsement, he will never talk about what is the product or how is the product. He will tell, "Main big basketeer hu, aap kaise ho?" Similarly, we are acting like as celebrities and for the respective brands, and we tell that whenever we hear something, we just tell, hey, I know a vendor, why didn't you connect with them? And let them do the talking with the respective businesses. If conversion happens, you can also tell that person, use this friendly OTP, you will avail special discount behalf of me. As soon as they give that OTP for the vendor, they will give them the special discount, and what discount the customer got it, same amount will be coming to you directly in the mobile application, which you can be withdrawn directly to your bank. Okay, coming to today's businesses, a quick glimpse. Rise Above. Any kind of entrepreneurship or any kind of person who is in need of like looking for businesses or hand-holding support, Rise Above is handled by Muralidhar Padaki. You can always refer for his business. This is a very general business where, because any person whom you are looking for, like somebody who's willing to do something but do not know what to do or where to do or where to reach, Rise Above will be the solution. And Serve Excel, they have having a home related products like Hal Hukku. That was a catchy name. And you can also connect with Vikram Padaki and touch base with how they can refer customers or these kind of stuff. And Aerolite lighting is something like commonly used, and many people will be looking for like, where do I reach these people? Or lighting means we need to go to the central area itself. But Aerolite lighting is available in Nagarbavi, and you can refer, because right now you can also become a Aerolite Lighting's brand friend. And coming to Digipact Media, they are digital marketing company as well as web development companies. So any kind of a technology related inquiries you get it, you can directly refer it to the Mukesh, and definitely he will take it ahead from there. And if conversion happens, we also become a owner of digital marketing company. And another thing is Alankar Makeup Studio. Makeup studio is something a trending thing, and even Muralidhar was mentioning, he knows there was some person who is getting married, so he's connecting that. Now every opportunity is a benefit. The only thing is, are we ready to encash the opportunity? Now there is an opportunity with you. You can also become brand friend for a makeup studio. And Wealth Grow FinServe. Wealth Grow FinServe is a financial and wealth advisor. Here, Mr. Muralidhar has talked about financial things. So I, as a person, I need not think about each and every financial domain. But whenever somebody is looking for related financial services, think Muralidhar and just refer to it and tell the person with whom you're talking, contact Muralidhar, A to Z services, you will be getting a solution. The person, when they contact Muralidhar, definitely he will perform the services, and whatever the incentive, we will directly get it in the application. And next is Saradev Superfoods. As the name says, superfoods, Mr. Jagdish clearly mentioned about what are the specialty needs, and they have curated certain foods which are definitely act like a superfoods for a human being. It's a very interesting thing. I would also like to try some things out of this, and also would love to refer, and you can also become brand friend for this company. And coming to Matrix Home Solutions, they have playwoods and interior solutions, any kind of end-to-end services for home solutions. And Reach Consultancy, it is an HR company where any person, if somebody is looking for jobs, you can easily connect to Nagaraj, because you too own a HR consultancy now. In one click, you can recommend people who are in need of jobs. And SNS Consultants, they are having complete health and as well as family protection insurance and a lot of other stuff related to the insurance. SNS Consultants, so any consultations, consultation regarding insurances, you can contact Saraswati, and you can also become a brand friend of it. Now this is also an interesting domain, Chia and Girish Advertising. Girish clearly mentioned about like metro, means most of the offline advertising, maybe like a newspaper or a TV and metro station holdings and boardings. Now you literally own an advertising company also. There is no infrastructure required, no manpower required, no investment required. Only thing is, in one click, you can become a brand friend of Chia and Girish Advertising. And M2B Labs, diagnostic services. It is like home diagnostic services. So this is something a general need for each and every human being. I'm sure whenever you think about the person who doesn't want to go to the diagnostic shop, or they won't be able to reach to the diagnostic shop, now in a click of a button, you can connect it to Mr. Prashant. And if conversion happens, the customer gets a special discount on behalf of you, and same incentive comes to your mobile application. And we link you. Mr. Ulas was specifically talking, he's very good in automobile industry insurances. So specifically any kind of insurance related to automobile, that is one of the, I think he's very much experienced into this domain, and he also takes care of other insurances. And he also mentioned about like, if we need a specific bank related from bank financial services, definitely I think Ulas's experience would solve certain requirements, and we can also become brand friend for Mr. Ulas. And WizMinds, as the name says, creating website, it's an investment. But if you are willing to go with a small investment, WizMinds would solve it, and creating a mobile website just in for $9.99, a mobile website. And I personally have also seen this website. It is so handy, and you can easily promote it to among each and every known people also. Definitely, if you're looking for small kind of websites, handy websites, do touch base with Kishan. And the people whom you think they're worried of going online but don't know have the reachability to reach or talk with the technical companies, touch base with Kishan, so that this is a good start to become online. And Epoxo solutions, water leakage solutions, any kind of waterproofing solutions. Rajiv Singh is the right person. You can also own a waterproofing solution company, that's Epoxo Solutions. With this, I hope most of the visitors or the viewers got to know about it. Friends, as a situation as of now, each person are thinking about starting new thing or trying new different things. But there are so many opportunities. If you think around your surrounding itself, so many people are doing businesses. If you just help a person or think little bit of a practicality, or whenever you find any solution or somebody is asking for it, if you refer the person whom you already know, or if you onboard, if you also can connect to the businesses, hey, why don't you be available in Do Friendly? I can also be your brand friend. You can also do that. You can build your own portfolio of businesses also within the technology. And meanwhile, word of mouth club always helps to connect brand friends to businesses. With this, I would wrap up. Mr. Muralidhar, would you like to end the session?
Can we have about a couple of minutes for questions? Any specific questions? Or are we running? Oh yeah, it's already 6:45. If any of you wants to ask a specific question, please unmute and.
Yeah, Muralidhar, I have a question on, so if you're a brand friend, what are the incentives that you get? I think many people would want to know, and many of my network would also want to know. What would be the incentives?
So these incentives are very specific to the vendor himself or herself. And you'll have to touch base with them and talk to them in an offline mode.
No. Muralidhar, I'll answer this. I'm sorry, I didn't get who asked this question. Anyways, the incentive is something each and every business owner who has registered their business in the application, they themselves have selected a percentage, telling that if the sale conversion happens, I am willing to pay this much. Let's imagine if the vendor has kept 10%, 5% out of it goes to customer as a spot discount while the transaction is happening by when the customer gives the OTP, and the remaining 5% will be reaching to the right person who sent the customer. So this is purely a vendor oriented. We never, as a platform, we never ask any vendor to give the specific thing. It is their choice. And if they are willing to increase it or decrease it or switch it off, it is purely their choice. The moment if they switch off, referrals will not go. But if they keep the incentive, automatically the referrals will start begin coming in.
Yeah, I have one thing to say in this actually. I am into financial services. There will be many products which, I mean, if I get some reference from mutual funds, I myself get less than 0.5% trail commission, that is runs into 1 year. Whereas in insurance, I will get some more additional. So in the incentive or commission, that structure that we mentioned in that referral commission, so can we not have a range? Because if I put 0.25, no one will refer. But if I put 2%, I will never get that much of commission myself from the mutual fund firms.
I'm sorry, again, I did not get the name. Is it Muralidhar?
No. My name is Raghavendra Purohit.
Okay, Raghavendra, coming to your question, coming to the financial segment, in the Do Friendly, what is happening is right now, you need to be keeping a general percentage. So this is something like you can keep 0.25% also, but do not think that people will not refer. the people who is referring, more than incentive, they like to send it for the trusted people.
Sunil, I just want to mention that in that slot. So can you just give us an option to specify the range? I'm not saying so 0.25 to 3%. That will be better. I mean, even in any other business, there will be margins. Some products will have very less margins. Some products will have more margins. So the vendor can decide which way they can give. That will give sort of flexibility.
Raghavendra, you're talking about one domain. This application is being used by even a Bidaka shop, even the Bida shop. And the main purpose of this connecting the thing is any person. Now, for example, think about the brand ambassador, Shah Rukh Khan. He is not worried about like what kind of payment he will be getting it. Similarly, the brand friends are not knowing too much about it or what they are expecting about it, but they will make sure word of mouth, every time they get an opportunity, they will push it off. And for that, the incentive structure is something you yourself are motivating to the respective person. As of now, in application, the brand friend doesn't have the patience of validating whether he is giving big or small or those stuff. You can keep a generalized state percentage, whichever you feel comfortable. It is 1% as of now. Right now, the application feature is set up with this. We will think about I can also, since it is yours is a financial domain, I can give you highlights about how other financial sector businesses are handling it. I think that will solve the purpose. Let's take it offline regarding it, so that the main intention of brand friends is they don't have the patience of thinking how much he will give. It's completely nullified. Means they just need to, whenever they find a business or opportunity, they will connect it to the right person and leave it up. And thinking about too much of one business, it will become a complication and people will stop referring also.
Then it's not just about one business. It's, I mean, just one more minute I will take. It's not just about one business, Sunil. In every business, there will be some products which have lesser margin and other business which have more margin. I mean, in the same business itself. Just as you said, we can discuss offline, you, me, and Murlidhar Padki. So
yeah,
together
sure,
we can
do
discuss
it. But right now in the system, we are simplified the process by keeping a smallest whichever you wish to pay. Whatever it shows, you can keep it as an average or keep it as the lowest thing which you wish to pay.
Okay. This is Vikram Padaki here. I am
Vikram.
with Mr. Raghavendra. You know, what he said really makes sense. When I become a channel partner here, going ahead, we may see some 1,000 vendors on this platform. Now I'll be like a kid in the candy shop. I'm confused. What do I promote? How much will I earn? So I think it makes sense that if we can put a small note there, that if I refer one Haluk, this is what I'm going to earn. It can be either in terms of percentage or in terms of rupees. I think it makes sense actually.
Vikram, let me give you a highlight about the research what has went through. So from last 2 years, we have been doing a research with Friendly App, and in this research, we got to know that how simple the functionality is, people will respond quickly and the more number of referrals. In the last month only, more than 426 referrals happened within the platform. Okay. And initially in Friendly App, we were displaying the percentage in the upfront upon the banner itself. Okay. And that became like a challenging part. Since internet is something like, for example, today we had 2 insurance related companies. We always wanted to retain the trust level businesses and not the financial related businesses. So I mean to say, financial is an obligation to build the relationships, but we are keeping after the referral has performed. After the referral has performed, if they get to know, we are keeping the transparency so that immediately the person will get to know what he is getting out of it. Now, for every businesses, there will be upper end product, also small end product. But here, think about like you are not giving for individual transaction basis. It is a general transaction. Today, if you are not willing to give also something, you can switch it off in the application. And the day you feel like this is a big order time for you, you can reduce the percentage also. But as a brand friend, it will be never impacting, because he will be always thinking, no, if I send it to Vikram Padaki, I will get something. He is acting to you like a partner, not just for the earning perspective, but he likes you and he trusts your business. And from the based on previous research, we felt when we start putting the specific numbers displayed, the quality businesses were not getting the businesses. And purely when you think about build trust, business automatically follows. This do friendly works on the statement of build trust. For example, your existing contacts, they will never feel confident to share with you talking like nange eshtu sigate. They will feel it shy to talk about the negotiation part also. But if it's something like, oh, I just need to refer them, based on his response, I will get means, even if it is 5 rupee or 10 rupee, even it without asking it comes, it is a very interesting factor and people respond very actively for it. This was a research we performed it. I think I can, if you want to know more about it, I can give you a one-to-one talk also.
Yeah, you have clarified my query. Yes, I'm actually impressed. Thank you.
Sunil, Muralidhar Kalsapur here. I have one question. This is something related to financial service again. See, is it compulsory to incentivize the customer also?
Muralidhar, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's imagine.
Because I'll tell you the one check. I'll tell you. Because in financial services, legally we are not supposed to incentivize customer. It's against law. So suppose if I say I'll give you 0.5%, say I assume that I offer 1% for my referral. If I say I'll give 0.5% to customer, it is illegal. I cannot do that. I can give the referral as a referral fee. That is possible. So how do we handle this?
Muralidhar, I have handled several financial services transaction. Yes, what you mentioned is illegal part is, yes, there are clauses for that, but it is your choice. If you are willing to increase your business, instead of giving the cash back, you can keep it as some gift related to that much of worth of it. If the transaction happens, you collect the full amount, but before going, you can give them the gift for the customer, right? The worth of that same value of worth as a gift for them. And meanwhile, for the person who sent, you can make the payment. Since the customer is coming to you in front of you, and Do Friendly is never interacting with the customer, you can directly collect from however you want to take it from the customer or pay it. I have solved some financial related things. If you want, we can have a one-to-one call. Since it's a category specific, I would give you a more enlightenment about like how you can handle those situations. But trust me, no promotion is illegal if it is going in a systematic way.
Sunil? I can give the money to the referral. There's no issue with that. So, but for customer, that is the issue.
Sunil, can I add a liner here?
Yes, Kishan, go ahead.
Yeah, I understand all people who are asking about the percentage and the commission basis what you would like to give has been a major question here. But if I have to tell you, the idea behind having this Do Friendly app is more of promotional, and the percentage or the commission what you're giving to your customers are just a token of gratitude. So on the other side, it should not be that I will be getting 5%, 10%. It's just a token of gratitude that every person would be getting it just for doing a referral. Instead of walking away just by referring people for no amount, Sunil has come up with a very unique platform where at least earning even 1 rupee just for telling them to go and eat an ice cream in that shop is what he has created. So let us probably, I guess we'll have to look at just giving the commission as a gratitude and not probably pondering more about what percentage is what I thought. Okay. Sunil, I hope.
Thank you, Kishan. That's something close by to it. Muralidhar, I am sure you are having a valid question itself. Since yours is a financial related thing, I think I will give you a specific highlights how other financial services people are handling using this. I will give a personal call related because it's a little complex, but we have simplified it. But as a system within the application, it is always good to give the 50% for the customer and 50% to the person who sent it. Because here, If the same person who was about to purchase it from some other shop, he would have paid 1,000 rupees, but here he will be paying 950 and the 50 rupees is going to the person who has sent. It is something like in gratitude, and they feel it comfortable of sharing you again and again. Remember the clause in Google Pay, when you get even the 5 rupees, we feel it so pride, and every time we ask other people, please share me Google Pay itself. We are creating a practice, like if your word of mouth is valuable and never miss an opportunity. We each and every person are busy in their own world, but now there is an opportunity. Each person's business or each person's experience, they can encash out of it in one click of a button. So with this, I think we had a wonderful session for this word of mouth club. And more specifically, if any people has technical related questions or how you can encash more out of this platform, I would, for a business users, I strongly recommend click the button promote now in your applications. When you use promote now, think about word of mouth happens more for your businesses when you are known people. We have an amazing feature within the application. If you click promote now and notify your known people that you are running refer and earn for your business, there is a huge difference which happens into it. Click promote now if you are a business user of Do Friendly, and as a brand friend, friends, Do Friendly application is a platform. You can also tell your known businesses. For example, maybe your neighbor business or other business, you can directly tell, hey, I do word of mouth marketing. Why don't you be available in Do Friendly? I can also talk for you. It is like indirectly you are telling them, I can help you, but indirectly you can earn from their business as well. So with this, Do Friendly platform is for everyone who can talk for others as well as they can start gaining for others. And remember friends, when you help a business, other business within the platform, when you refer a business, they will be also in obligation of sending you customers. So this is an open platform, no strings attached. If transaction happens, your customer will also get a special discount and same value of amount will be coming to you as an incentive. I think we had a wonderful session, and for any queries, you can please feel free to reach Muralidhar related to Word of Mouth Club, and related to Do Friendly, feel free to reach me. And our contact numbers are available, or I have also put it in the chat box also. And if any person are looking for contact number, please ask me now, or we will have a wrap up of the session. Thank you so much for each and every person for joining this session. It was fruitful, I believe. And from going for today, more than 15 businesses owners, each person have become.
Thanks, Sunil. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Kishan.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunil.
Thanks everyone for joining.
Thank you, guys. See you all then.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sunil sir and Murli sir, for the beautiful opportunity, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil and Muralidhar, for the opportunity. We had a good time understanding other businesses as well. Thank you again.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sunil and Muralidhar, and I thank Muralidhar Kalsapur to putting into this group. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Thank you all. It was
Thank you all.
It was like I walked through an exhibition just now. Nice platform.
Right, fine. So I'm ending the session. Thank you all. Happy evening. See you.